It's easy to ignore the symptoms of bowel cancer at first. It seems like any other stomachache, but it's important to pay attention because the earlier we find it, the better. In this video, we're going to talk about 7 warning signs that require seeing a doctor quickly. Stay with us until the end and see how to take care of yourself and help those you love. Information is the best defense against cancer. 6. Our gut has its own quirks, right? Like an old friend, we know how it works. But what if this routine suddenly changes? Pay attention. Constipation or diarrhea all the time can be a sign of a problem. Bowel cancer can disrupt the natural rhythm of the gut, causing these changes. Imagine a pebble in the way of the water, blocking everything and causing slowness. Listen to your body. If your gut is different, run to the doctor. Discovering the problem early is always the best solution. 8. Finding blood in your stool is always scary, right? Hemorrhoids are common, but blood in the stool can also be a sign of bowel cancer. The color of the blood can give you a clue. Bright red is more common when the problem is near the end of the intestine. Dark, almost black blood could be a sign of a problem at the very beginning of the intestine. Ignoring this sign is like ignoring a friend asking for help. If you find blood in your stool, see a doctor right away. A simple test can make all the difference. 7. Everyone gets a little stomachache, but be alert if the pain is frequent and severe. If abdominal pain doesn't leave you alone, it's time to see a doctor. In the case of bowel cancer, abdominal pain can be an important sign. Imagine a blockage in the intestine, causing that dull pain that won't go away. The pain can be in one spot or cramping, which comes and goes. Persistent abdominal pain is not normal. See a doctor and investigate the cause. 8. Everyone wants to lose weight, but be careful if you are losing weight for no reason. Unexplained weight loss may seem like a dream to many, but in fact, it could be a sign that something is not right with your health. If you are losing weight quickly and for no reason, sound the alarm. It's important to pay attention to how your body is changing. Clothes that suddenly become loose or a feeling of constant weakness can be indicative of more serious problems. This weight loss can be a symptom of several diseases, including bowel cancer. Diseases like diabetes, hyperthyroidism, and even chronic infections can also cause unexplained weight loss. Therefore, it is crucial to consult a doctor for an accurate diagnosis. Cancer releases substances that make the body expend more energy, kind of like a car using more fuel than normal. Imagine your body as a car that suddenly starts consuming a lot more fuel for no apparent reason. This could be a sign that something is wrong. The tumor can even prevent the body from absorbing nutrients from food, leading to weight loss. When the body is unable to absorb the necessary nutrients, it starts using its energy reserves, resulting in weight loss. Unexplained weight loss is an important sign. See a doctor? Don't ignore these signs. Early diagnosis can make all the difference in treatment and recovery. Prevention is always better than cure. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet and regular exercise can help prevent many diseases. And remember, regular medical checkups are essential to monitor your health and detect any problems early. We live in a hurry. Tiredness is normal. However, it is important to recognize when tiredness goes beyond the ordinary. But there is a difference between everyday tiredness and excessive fatigue, the kind that doesn't go away even after a good night's sleep or a weekend of rest. Excessive fatigue is the kind that leaves you feeling drained without the strength to perform simple everyday tasks. If you are always tired, lacking energy, and this is affecting your quality of life, it's time to pay attention. It's time to see a doctor. Excessive fatigue can be a sign that something more serious is going on in your body. In the case of bowel cancer, excessive fatigue can be a silent and dangerous symptom. Often people don't associate extreme fatigue with serious health problems. Fatigue can be one of the first signs that something is wrong. The tumor can cause small blood losses that go unnoticed. These small blood losses over time can lead to anemia, a condition that reduces the number of red blood cells in the blood. Anemia decreases the number of cells that carry oxygen in the blood, leaving you feeling drained and constantly tired. It is crucial to understand that excessive fatigue should not be ignored. It could be a sign that your body is fighting something serious. If fatigue persists, see a doctor immediately. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen. Early detection can make all the difference in treatment and recovery. Take care of your health and be aware of the signs your body gives you. We know our bodies like the back of our hand, right? We know when something is not right, when there is a discomfort we cannot ignore. If you feel like your bowels haven't emptied completely, pay attention. This feeling may be more than just a passing discomfort. This feeling could be a warning sign of a bowel problem. It's important to understand what your body is trying to communicate. Imagine a blockage in the intestine, causing this feeling that there's still something there. This blockage can be caused by several reasons, such as hardened stool, inflammation, or even a tumor. The tumor can compress the walls of the intestine, preventing stool from coming out completely. This can lead to a number of complications if not treated in time. This feeling may be accompanied by abdominal pain, bloating, and gas. These symptoms can affect your quality of life, making day-to-day living more difficult. Don't ignore this feeling, especially if it's frequent. The persistence of these symptoms may indicate that something more serious is going on. See a doctor and get the necessary tests. Exams such as colonoscopy can help identify the cause of the problem and allow for proper treatment. Remember, taking care of your bowel health is essential for overall well-being. Anemia is like the red light on our body's dashboard turning on. It's when the blood has too few red blood cells, the ones that carry oxygen. When anemia appears out of nowhere, it's necessary to investigate thoroughly. Bowel cancer can cause internal bleeding, leading to anemia. If you have been feeling more tired, pale, and short of breath, see a doctor. A simple blood test can identify anemia and help find the cause. 7. Paying attention to these signs is very important. At the first sign, run to the doctor. Discovering the problem early can make all the difference in treatment. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen. Your body is warning you that something is wrong. Prevention is still the best medicine. Did you like the video? Leave your like, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Have you had any preventive screenings for bowel cancer?